There may be some hidden routes within a page of your target that you will never find by clicking on any ordinary link, because they are not written anywhere in text form. Those URLs don't actually exist until a browser renders the page. Today I will show you that hidden layer with Katana, directly in the live terminal. Let's get started. Katana is an amazing crawling framework created by ProjectDiscovery, written in the Go language. Normal crawlers only follow the tag in HTML, but the routes of modern SaaS applications are mostly hidden inside JavaScript files. Some routes are hard-coded as strings within JS files, and some routes are created only at runtime, after JS is executed in the browser. Katana can handle both of these types of cases. Let's take a quick look at the installation. If Go is installed on your system, you can easily set up Katana with this command. Katana is already installed on my system, so I'm canceling it. Look, here we have the latest version of our Katana tool. Now let's go to our lab environment. As our practice ground today, I am using a custom Docker lab, NimbusMetrics. This is a fictional SaaS analytics platform which I have created especially for the demo in this video. First, we'll run a simple crawl without any advanced flags to see what Katana finds by default. Here I have given the Katana command, then the target URL with the U flag, and the name of the output file with the AO flag. I want to save the outputs in a file, so I use the AO flag. Look at the output file. We only got a few static pages, about HTML, products.html, insights.html, etc., because these were directly linked in the menu bar. The interesting thing is, even though we got the insights.html page, none of the report links inside it came here, because those links are not written anywhere in the page's HTML. Those are generated by JavaScript at runtime. Now we will tell Katana to statically parse the JavaScript files without running the browser and find the endpoints from within them. For this, we will use the JC flag. Look! Now some new endpoints have been added to our list: a PI login, a PI profile, a PI v1 users, and an incomplete entry, insights/report. However, these routes were not in any tag of the application. These were hidden inside the app.js file as a string of the fetch method, which Katana successfully extracted. But notice that the insights/report endpoint is incomplete. To go to the actual page of the report, you will need an ID with it, such as insights/report/1. But that ID is not written anywhere in the JavaScript file code, because it is created dynamically by calling the API at runtime. To capture these types of runtime dynamic routes, we need to run a real browser engine in the background. Now we will add the -hl or headless flag. I am using the headless flag with the Katana command for the first time on my system, so it is downloading Chrome browser first, because Katana will test the URL using this browser in the background. As you can see, our browser has been downloaded here, and now the fully resolved routes have appeared on our screen. Reports 1, 2, and 3. Because this time Katana has actually run a Chromium browser in the background, executed the JavaScript codes, and grabbed the links from the real DOM elements of the dynamically rendered page. Let's go to the browser and see if this URL actually works. Look, this is a great real live report page, which was nowhere in the static code. So, take a look at the difference. We got 6 links with a normal crawl, a few more API routes with JC flag, and finally, after using HL flag, a total of 10 hidden and dynamic routes appeared before us. During bug bounties or pen tests, developers often hide some sensitive directories in the robots.txt file. But the funny thing is, this becomes a directory search map for security researchers like us. Katana has a dedicated flag that can automatically scan these robots.txt and sitemap.xml files to collect data. With this KF flag, we can easily include those disallowed directories in our scan. Sorry, I made a small spelling mistake here. During crawling, you will also see some 302 redirects or 404 dead links, for example, /go pricing, which redirects to products.html. Katana also has a great option to filter these, which we will discuss in a future video. So this was a practical demo of Katana's powerful features. I hope you now understand why just following the link is not enough, and why JS file parsing and headless rendering are so important. If you find the video useful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.